Hiya Duck! So today I'm going to show you a design that was sent to me by a follower who wants me to recreate this design. So this is by Tino Vu, and yeah, we won't do it exactly the same. We'll change it up a bit, we'll do something a little bit different. So we're going to start off with base coat. We're going to base coat all of the nails because we're going to do the design in gel polish. Nice thin layer, super thin. We're going to use Not Just A Nude on the background. These nails are shorter than the ones on the picture. We're going to take inspiration from the design. We're not going to carbon copy it. So I'm just going to do second coat. That colour on its own is gorgeous, just saying. And then we're going to use Roxy in matte. We do this in glossy and matte. So this is actually a top coat that has flecks of mylar, glitter, and I thought I don't want to just use a normal matte. We'll go for something a little bit different. It might not work, it might work, I have no idea, because I'm not following exactly what Tino has done, so we'll see. We're going to use these pigments now. We're going to do this one. We're not going to do this one because these nails are a lot longer, so we'll struggle to get that on. But we're going to do these ones and a couple of them ones. So I've got my BrenDek brush. This is a brush that, I've got two BrenDek brushes. I've got one that I keep nice and together, beautiful gorgeousness. Then I've got this one that I've fluffed out for my pigments. And I'm going to get a little bit of pigment. I'm going to get it out the lid first of all. We're going to use purple and pink because, yeah, I'm going to rub it onto the paper towel first. Then I'm going to rub it onto the nail. So just little circles. You need barely anything and it will stick to matte. And I'm going to get most of it off and then just blend that out a little bit just so it's soft. And then we're going to get pink. The reason I'm rubbing it onto the paper towel is to get rid of any excess. Because if you have excess like particles flying around everywhere, they will stick to the mat. Line that off, very light touch. Then I'm going to go into the pink, overlap, take off the excess, so you get like an ombre. Then we're going to matte top coat. So this is just your normal matte top coat. This isn't from the SFX range. This is just matte. And this is going to seal the pigment. And you want to be more floaty with it because if you press too hard, you're going to disturb the pigment. We are going to mix white, so this is white out, and then we're going to get void, and we are going to mix into those, I'm going to mix the veil.
Don't want that on.
You do. And then in this one, we're going to mix Laura. Laura is a top coat. It's a jelly top coat. So let's get mixing. So I want pigment, but I also want hardly any sticky layer. So that's why I'm mixing them with the jelly top coats. Oh, that is satisfying. Look at that. They make a good marble, don't they? Then we're going to use the Lily liner brush. I'm going to do our stencil roses. If you don't have these two colours, what you could do is you could mix top coat with your white. So I start off with a swirl in the middle, and then I bring these little petals out. And we keep the colour in the centre. I'm going to flash cure that so it doesn't move and so I don't knock it. So again, a little swirl in the middle. So you see how we're keeping the colour in the centre. Right, so then we're going to get the black and we're going to do some little leaves. Pop me that in the lamp. So I'm going to use the silver chrome from, I was going to say nails, the Lady Gaga, but it's nail Gaga, nail Gaga. And we're going to rub that over. And you'll notice because we've used two different colours as our sort of base to rub the chrome onto, there'll be slightly different tones. Don't worry about it sticking to the matte top coat because that will come off when we, I mean some of it comes off now, but when, oh that's nice. So we're going to do that on all the nails that we've done that design on. But then what you have to do is we're going to take top coat, and with the top coat we're going to seal in the design. So you're going to have to go directly over the top. I know it's a massive ball ache. I'm going to take some tissue paper with some clean up solution on and give it a rub, and that'll just take off any of the chrome from the matte section. So you have that like matte and chrome, shiny versus matte, which I love. Right, then I want to get, this is the Karen. For all those Karens out there.
My mother.
It is named after Adam's mother. She is the Karen. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it even more like, because this is like a, it's like a antique silver. We have got a silver one, but I want to make this like a totally different shade. So I'm going to add some of the chrome powder to it. Let's add a little bit more, because this is a flash gel. So I still want some of the flash gel popping through. Then we're going to use the Lily liner brush. And we're going to create the chevron, like V's, little chevron V's. For now, we're going to do 2. And then we're going to top coat just the lines of the V's. Can I just say, these have been a massive ball ache to do, and I'm not doing a recreate again because they just, you know, those nails that Tino Vu did are twice the size, and he makes them, then he puts them onto his hand. It's far easier to do that. And can I just say, I'm never using chrome again because it gets everywhere. And
have you lost them where they live, darling?
I'm just covered in chrome. I've had Andrea wash her hands 3 times to get rid of the chrome, and I'm just like, I've had enough now. But now, make it look quite nice. We're gonna put bling on them now because we need bling.
We do.
So we're gonna use the crystal Totalis to put the gems on with. So they are all done. We've added a little bit of bling, ching ching. Do you know what I love about them? I love the background. This. I love Roxy in the background as well. Love that. There you are, guys. Thank God that they are done. I've got to take pictures now. It's a long day. I'm starving. If you haven't watched this video, I'm going to cry. If you don't get no views on this video, I'm going to cry because this video's taken me a while. I mean, God knows what it's going to be like tomorrow when I film with George. George is going to drive me around the bend. If you think Faye's bad, wait till you meet Georgia. Yeah, please make sure you keep watching his videos because I might just pack it in. So yeah, everything I've used today will be listed below, and I'll see you in the next video. Good night. God bless.